stand, whether in an empty field, the city streets, or in your room, there's always an invisible sound around you, unnoticed but never absent. From your phone, your laptop, the router in the corner, the ATM in the street, the traffic cameras, cell towers, and power grid overhead, all of them emit electromagnetic frequencies we cannot detect. And unnoticed is exactly how they work. That's the condition they need, because together, they make up a spine of a larger system: surveillance. Control and power are most effective when you forget they're there. So electromagnetic listening asks a simple question. What happens when you notice? If you can hear the cameras, the towers, the wires, you stop being in the background. You're not being watched by the system anymore. You're actually perceiving it. Now, whether that actually changes anything or just makes it interesting to listen to is the open question. But that's an answer I'm searching for in my thesis. Is that good?